My name is Tom from Skip's Outdoor Accents. I'm in sales there, and this will be my 22nd year at Skip's. Homeowners should be thinking about where their property lines are, where they would need to place the shed to be in compliance with their town guidelines. We come out with a bobcat, a dump truck, we excavate the area 4 to 6 inches. We can usually correct a little bit more than that if need be. We come out with a laser level, transit, everything, and make sure it's a nice level base for the shed to sit on. If you don't put them on some kind of a platform, there's really not so much drainage in just putting them out on the lawn. And you know, as your lawn can get saturated with rain, the shed can settle, so one corner can settle, and that can throw your doors off, throw your garage door off, all kinds of different things. It's very important to start off with a very level base for these things. Generally on the delivery of the sheds, there are state oversized permits involved. On wider buildings, 12 feet wide, 14 feet wide, I have to send either one escort vehicle or 2 escort vehicles, depending on how wide, just to make sure everybody's safe on the road. Generally when we pull up, the driver will get out of the truck, knock on the door, say hello, take a walk into the backyard, just see where it's going. The trailer does a lot of the work these days and gets us into some tighter spots than we used to be able to get into with just going up and down in a couple of hands, basically. Once the shed is down on the ground, we put a level on the floor just to make sure everything's right. If it needs a final adjustment, we have blocks and shims, Johnson bars, so if it's not quite sitting perfectly and you need it an inch to one way, we can certainly just move it over a tiny bit and square it up for you however you see fit. I think people do get a feeling from us that we are there to help, and we are there to make sure the customer is happy, and if they have a problem, they can call us and we will get it squared away for them.